in the house. Let me help you.
But nigga, how you gonna get up here? Come on, Bryson, you wanna sit down?
Ooh, it smells good. Come on. All right. I was going to record, y'all. I was going to record us moving some stuff in here, but it got to be too much. So, everything is all moved in here. The only thing we have to go back to the house and get is the clothes, my stuff out my refrigerator, and microwave and stuff, but it's small stuff. I'm sorry if I didn't record showing y'all what I was doing, but I'm trying to move. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna turn y'all around so y'all can see the boxes and stuff and just kind of get a glimpse. But in the next video, I actually show y'all what I'm working with as far as the house, and there might be some more clips and stuff that are included in it. Again, this is just my dump channel, my vlogging channel. It'll probably become more than just this, but I wanted to share this part of my life with y'all. So my brother just asked me that I have 2 channels. So if you're not subscribed to my other channel and you found this one by chance, my other channel is EOE Designs, or Epitome of Excellence Designs and Decor. So you can follow me there. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell. Again, thank y'all for stopping by. I will see y'all in the next video. Oh, let me show you the chaos. So it's really not chaotic. It's just, I'm not getting up to show y'all nothing more. But yeah, y'all will see the tool in the next one.